Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through my pencil lipsticks, as you can see right here, and also my lip glosses. I have already downsized quite a bit in the last few months, and so as of right now, these are all the glosses that I currently own, which I don't think is too insane. Some may differ, but I don't. So I've already done my pencils, which you can see on my hand. Maybe I should wipe that off. That's the only thing I hate about swatching, is it totally leaves me with a rash. I've already done my MAC lipsticks in a video, and like I said, my pencil. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put my pencil declutter in this video with lip glosses, but if not, that'll also be all linked below. So let's just get started. I am sick, so I'm sorry about the voice. I don't even know where to begin. Let's see, let's do this. I know I'm keeping pretty much, or I'm just gonna say, I know I'm keeping all my Buxom glosses because that I absolutely love. So let me just get those all out, because that's easy to say. It's easy to get out what you know you're for sure going to be keeping. So I think that's all I got. Okay, so I know I'm keeping those. I know I'm keeping my Tarte Energy Lip Surgents. This like changes to your color of your lips. It's almost gone, but I love that. I know I'm going to be keeping my Dior, not my Dior, YSL Lip Oil. Again, that's also almost out. I know I'm going to be keeping my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. I think this is the original. It's just a mini. I do have the Diamond Glow, or Diamond Fenty Gloss, and it's in my car, but I know I'm not getting rid of that. And I didn't even bring in the lip products from my car or my purse, because those are things that I literally wear every day that I know I wouldn't get rid of. So those aren't going to be in this video. I'm just not, I don't have myself together well to grab those as well. I know I'm also going to be keeping this NARS Orgasm Gloss. I love that. Okay, so, oh, and I know I'm keeping this Bite Beauty Pink Pearl. Love that. Those are for sure. Let's see if there are any others that are for sure. I'm going to keep this ColourPop in Last Petal. It's just new. I haven't really worn it very much. And I'm also going to hold on to this Milani one, because this also is fairly new. This is in Nude Touch. I don't think I've really worn it that much. And then this one is probably half gone. It's a very sticky, maybe I'll just get rid of it. I'm gonna actually get rid of this. I don't like it because it is so sticky, so that will be a get rid of. This Larizzi I got in, I'm sure, a subscription box that I probably never tried. So let's see. That's really pretty. I'm gonna keep that since I've never tried it. It seems like a nice gloss. I do like these NARS ones. So I think I'm going to keep, not NARS, Tarte. Oh my gosh, Tarte. And I did like these Estee Edit Flash Photo Gloss. I know they don't sell this anymore, but this is actually pretty good. I'm going to get rid of these Tarte Minis. Maybe I only have one. I only have one. I think those are just too old. I'm going to throw it out. And as well as all these Lorac minis. They're just kind of old and I never use them. So those are going to go in actually the trash. I'm also going to get rid of the Huyer lip gloss in Mirage. I don't wear it. It's kind of old. I'm going to get rid of it. Or should I throw it away? I should probably throw that away too. All right, the Laura Mercier, these aren't in the same color. This one's in blush and this one's in rose. I think I'm going to hold on to those. I think I've used them a few and liked them. I do like this Makeup Forever. What color? I don't know what color this is. Good Times, I think. I don't know. I think I'm going to keep that. Okay. This Marc Jacobs in Kissability, I'm going to keep that. But I don't know. Oh, I really do like the Cynthia Rowley, I don't know how to say it, Sugar Lip Gloss. I believe I got this. It's probably so old. I should make sure it doesn't smell. Ooh, it's totally dried out. So that was easy. Throw away. I should probably check some of these old ones. That looks so pretty. I think I'm going to keep this Urban Decay Ultra Hi-Fi Shine. I don't know. The Stila I'm going to keep. I'm not doing very well. The Lorac Ultra Ego Lip Gloss. Let's see. Ooh. No, I'm not going to keep that. That's too goopy. Alright, I have 2 Bite lip glosses. This one's in 7, I think. This one's in Pop Sugar. So I probably got that in a Pop Sugar box. I'm going to pass on that. And let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to keep that. Okay. This I'm going to pass on. This is from... I can never remember the brand. How come I can never remember the brand? Rouge Bunny Rouge. I think that sounds right. I'm going to actually get rid of that. This Too Faced Sweet Peach is fairly new to my collection, or I got a little mini. So I'm going to hold on to that. Let's see. This one from Too Faced. It's ugly. I think I'm going to get rid of that. This is Bare Minerals Marvel Moxie Lip Gloss in Rebel. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm keeping that. I think this is actually almost empty. Oh, there it all goes. And last but not least, I have these 3 Anastasia lip glosses in 2 in Vintage and 1 in Kristen. Kristen, yeah. So let's swatch them and see what they look like. This is Kristen. Is that lip gloss? Yeah, lip gloss. That's pretty opaque. Ooh, I like Vintage. So I'm going to keep both of those. I think I'm going to keep this one too and try it. So I didn't do too well. Let's see. So I'm keeping 27, but I'm throwing away 6, 8, 9, and decluttering 4. So I didn't do terrible, but I probably could have done better. But for now, I'm happy. I like all these glosses. I know I'm going to wear them, where these all I wasn't going to wear. So I like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next declutter.